To create additional pages, you're going to select welcome. I just go to the dashboard, then select pages, and then select add new page. Select edit with Elementor. Elementor gives you more advanced options, right? So you'd start out by creating a container. And then in your container, you can add additional elements that you want. So if you select plus, it gives you a list of additional elements that you can add to your website. Let's say you want to put like a YouTube video on this page, right? Then under the basics section, then you're going to drag and drop the video element in the container section where you want to add it. You can replace the link here in the link section. So once you paste your YouTube link, it will be previewed on the page. And you can go ahead and adjust about any type of design that you want. So you can look at another website and get the idea of how you want your website or pages to look. Now, I'm not the best at designing. Once you understand the basics, you can do just about anything. Now, let's say you want to add like a location. There's a location widget. So you go on some website and you see like a map on the website. This is pretty much how you get that map. So once you select edit, you have the option to specify the location where you want and how much zoom you want on that location. So you can see I'm pulling it up a bit closer. So I'm going to select publish to save this page. So let's preview what it will look like by clicking the menu icon and then selecting view page. So this is what this page would look like live on the internet. Now we need to rename the page, right? So let's go back to the dashboard by hovering over welcome and select dashboard. Go to pages. Here what you need to do is select quick edit. And I'm just going to say demo page. Now select update. And that's how you rename your page. If you notice, when you looked at the menu, this page link wasn't displayed on that menu. So how do we get this link displayed on the menu page? So in the next section, we're going to be taking a look at how we can make global changes to our website.